So here's a video of a very unusual and rare CXT pickup. People always ask, why are these trucks so rare? Well, the most common answer is they did not make many of them. Somebody can comment below if they know different. But from everything we have found and been told, there was roughly 200 of these produced in crew cab form. This is the only one we have ever seen or ever owned. And not to say we've owned them all, but we haven't missed many. I guess we've probably owned 20 to 30 of these trucks over time. Even built one from scratch years ago, but it was not a true CXT, of course. But as rare as they were, the customer wanted one, we couldn't find it, so we helped him get a brand new cab and chassis and built it from scratch. This truck here is a 30,000 mile 2005 model with basically all options. Still riding on its factory tires, documenting how low the mileage really is. If you look at the date code, this truck was built in 2004, and these are 2004 tires, as you can see from the date code. Still in great shape, meaning the mileage is not fictitious, it is true mileage. As far as options go, these trucks had basically 3 to 4 options. The only one we know this one doesn't have is the tilt bed. It does have the premium interior. It does have the DVD system, TV. Even the latch isn't broke like most. The wood grain trim with a couple little LED lights that are tucked up in there. 37,000 miles to be exact. Nice console. You can see from the carpet, we haven't even had a chance to really go over the interior of this one yet, shampoo it or anything, and it's that clean. This carpet will look like brand new once it's shampooed. Power options, power mirrors. DT 466 motor, so you'll never have to worry about the engine. Embroidered seats, leather seats, air ride seats, air ride cab, tinted glass, Alcoa wheels. This one has a spray-in bed liner. The only option that some of these trucks have, the 2 that we currently have other than this one, have the tilt bed. This one does not have the tilt dump bed. We have one of these trucks in blue, which is a wrap over top of a ivory green, which is extremely unusual. The other one of these trucks we have, which is tucked away in our showroom, has 8,000 original miles, and it is a bronze burnt orange. So right now, 3 of these units available. I don't think anybody, probably anywhere, can say they've owned 3 of these at the same time. I'll buy 5 more tomorrow if they come available. Just as unusual as they are. But this one is a beauty. Clean, well optioned. It is the extended cab version. Again, that's super rare. If somebody wanted to wrap this vehicle for a company use, put your logo on it, anything such as that would be ideal. Just to give you an example, here's one of the other ones. This one's had the super single tires added, which we can do. We can swap these onto that truck if somebody like that. This is a crew cab version. Same pickup bed. This does have the hydraulic tilt bed. If you're in the market for one of these, I don't think anybody else across the country can tell you that they've got 3 of them in stock, as ready to go as these trucks are. Each one of them is fully serviced, properly Virginia inspected. Each one has been driven by us at least 1,000 miles, other than the orange one, which we're trying to keep the miles down on, but that will be going out to some shows in the next couple of weeks. These trucks are ready to go. If you have any questions or need anything further, reach out to us. Davis4x4.com. That's Davis4x4.com for our website, or 804-271-0030. Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe so that you'll be logged in to see all of our updated videos each day. We'll try to bring you at least a video or two of new inventory or wild, crazy trucks such as this. Thanks for watching.